Hello, viewers. Welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session, I'm going to start with a new subject, which is social and preventive pharmacy. The subject is taken from the BPharm 8th semester, BP 802 code. In this session, I'm going to discuss from the Unit 1, that is about the concept of the health and the disease. So, my dear students, let us begin. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting quality lectures and informations related to pharmacy. So, in this session, I'm going to brief you up about the definition, concepts, and the evaluation of the public health. Health is in itself a very broad term. Health simply means swasthya. So, the World Health Organization defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, social well being. Yes, my dear students, after recent incidents of many suicides, nowadays mental health is also very important. All of us pay attention to the physical health by doing exercise, by doing the lifestyle changes, by taking healthy diet. But what about the mental health? So it has to be equally paid attention. For the mental health, you have to have the positive thinking, you have to have the a lifestyle whereby you are continuously motivated to keep the physical, mental, and the social well-being. So it is not merely the absence of the disease. So WHO definition simply says that the absence of disease does not indicate a good health. Good health is only dictated by the complete physical, mental, and social well-being. So, talking about the understanding of the health is on the basis of the healthcare. So, to keep you once healthy, we have to take care of our health. So, how to take care of the health? So, health is not perceived the same way by all the members of the community, including various professional groups. So, how does the concept of the disease came? So, like biomedical scientist, social scientist, health administrator, ecologist. So, they gave rise to confusion about the concept of the health. So, when we started understanding the health in totality, we have to take different factors in account. So, there are different scientists who define the health as per their purview. For example, when we talk about the health, it evolved over a period of centuries. So, the health came as a concept from individual concern to the worldwide social goal and encompasses the whole quality of the life. So, the changing concept of the health till now are, so the basically the concept of health is divided into four parts. The first is the biomedical concept. Biomedical concept is related to your disease. Then ecological concept, it is related to your environment. Psychosocial concept is related to your social development. Then holistic concept. So let us first begin with the biomedical concept. So as the term indicates biomedical, it is considered as a complete absence of the disease. So if a person is having any disease or illness, he is not healthy. Similarly, if someone is free from disease, then the person is considered healthy. So it is very simple to understand. So this concept is known as the biomedical concept, and it is based on the germ theory of the disease. Now, health simply means absence of the disease. The medical profession viewed the human body as a machine, and the disease is an outcome of the breakdown of the machine. So, in simple terms, you can say our human body is a complex machine, and if anybody is suffering from the disease, it is the breakdown of the machine. And who is the person who heals the machine will become the doctor. So, he repairs the machine. So, the concept has minimized the role of the environment, social, and cultural determinants of the health. So, what happened with the later revisions was that the biomedical concept did not take into account the effect of the individual by the environment, by the social, by the cultural determinants. So, the developments in the medical and the social sciences also further led to the conclusion that the biomedical concept of the health was inadequate. So, that is why the further concepts were developed. So after biomedical concept came the ecological concept. So as the term indicate ecological, it is related to the environment. So the deficiencies in the biomedical concept further gave rise to other concepts. The ecologists put forward the concept of the ecological concept. So they viewed health as a dynamic equilibrium between man and the environment. My dear students, all of you must be hearing about the effect of the pollution these days, and COVID in the COVID area. Further, the influence of the environment is also paying a lot on the individual health. So, the disease as a maladjustment of the human organism to the environment. So, came this ecological concept. Now, next, moving on to the psychosocial concept. So, when we talked about the ecological concept, another theory which came was the influence of the social environment on the development of the health. So, advances in the social sciences further showed that health is not only a biomedical phenomena, but one which is influenced by the social, psychological, cultural, economic, and political factors of the people concerned. These factors have to be taken into consideration in defining and measuring the health. So if you say, if a person is not socially connected, then in case that is also not a sign of a healthy person. So the health is both a biological and a social phenomena. So with the growing age, complexities increases. With the growing age, psychosocial development also takes place. Then later came the concept of the holistic development. Now, this holistic model is actually the synthesis of all the above concept. It includes the biomedical concept also. It includes the ecological concepts also. It takes into account various factors. Now, the holistic concept basically recognizes the strength of the social, economic, political, and environmental influences on the health. So, it has been variously described as a multidimensional process involving the well being of the person as a whole. The emphasis is on the promotion and the protection of the health. So, this later technique was very well adapted by the society, and nowadays it is being said that holistic concept determines the health of an individual. My dear students, so on the concepts of the holistic health, you need to first identify the root cause of the disease or the symptom. Then you have to remove the underlying cause. You have to purify the body of the toxins and the infections. You have to restore the nutrients deficiencies to allow the body to accumulate. So, this holistic approach basically implies that all sectors of the society have a combined influence on the health. For example, agricultural, animal husbandry, food, industry, education, housing. So, all the factors have an influence on the health of an individual. And this last slide will help you understand health in a better way. So, it is being said that the only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't like and drink what you don't like and do what you would rather not do. So my dear students, you can see the WHO chart also, which gives you an overview of the 12 activities which will help you in having a better health. For example, you have to eat a healthy diet, you have to be physically active every day your way, you have to get vaccinated, don't use any form of any sort of the tobacco or any other thing, avoid or minimize the use of alcohol, manage stress for your physical and mental health, practice good hygiene, don't speed, don't drink and drive, wear a seat belt while driving and helmet when cycling, practice safe, and you have to have regularly check your mental health. Breastfeeding and is considered best for the babies, so one has to take and choose health wisely. In my further session, I will be discussing the further determinants of the social factors. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates. Thank you so much.